Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Badger. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern, Badger formed a rising wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and it was testing the support of that rising wedge pattern. And this was one of my old videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart of Badger, then you can see that finally we have broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern, despite this was a quite long-term uptrend line support you can see coming from the month of September 2023, but this was a bearish bias pattern. Therefore, the price has broken down the support rather than breaking out the resistance. Here we had a powerful attempt for the breakout, but the price could not save this level as support while retesting the previous resistance of the rising wedge pattern as a support and broke it down and broke down the support of the wedge as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this breakout, and I would also like to show you these two falling wedges which are already broken out on the 7 days time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Badger that I shared on 1st of June 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardlet pattern that Badger completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see that after the completion of the leg, the price was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some correction and then we can buy it from this potential reversal zone. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price can drop again down inside this buying zone. Then we had a very nice pump, and this was almost 17% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And before that, we got almost 22% pump of Badger. This was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move. If I play this chart, then you can see that the price nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of Badger, and this is a weekly time frame chart, and previously you can see that we broke out this wedge, then we got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern and formed a huge double bottom here, and then price started a very massive pump. By the way, from this low to here, you can see that it was almost 457% pump, but the price went very close to this long-term resistance of $11. In fact, from $11 to $13.50 is a complete resistance zone that has been previously breaking as a support zone here, and after the breakdown, you can see it flipped into a resistance zone here and here. This time, the price could not hit this level, went very close to this resistance zone, and tried to retest the previous resistance of the wedge as support, but could not save this level and broke down this rising wedge pattern. That was, in fact, a bearish bias pattern. Like these two patterns were the bullish bias, and the price broke them out. And this was the bearish bias pattern, this rising wedge pattern. And you can see that the price after the breakdown is trying to break down this support. The technical target, by the way, for this breakdown is here at this next support of $3.90. And so far, you can see that the price has dropped down up to $2. And by the way, target is not $3. At $1.90 we have target, and so far it has dropped up to $2.27. In case of breaking down this support of $2.60, the price can hit this target to the downside. However, if we take a look at the targets for these two breakouts, then you can see that we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this wedge pattern. That was the most recent breakout. That was here at the top of the wedge at $4.25. You can see that the price after the breakout rallied beyond that target. But now I'm looking for the long-term target and technical target for this previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern. That move is still due. And you can see that stochastic has again entered the oversold zone. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone here, then we had a very powerful rally. Before that, when it was entered the oversold zone, then we broke out the wedge. Therefore, now I'm expecting that soon it can start another reversal move from here. Whether from this support or from this support, there is a probability that we may start this reversal move from here, from this support of $2.60. And then The long-term target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.